In this video, we will learn about how to convert mixed number into improper fractions. So these are 4 questions. Question number first, 5 whole 3 over 4. This is mixed number and we have to convert it into improper fraction. First of all, write 4 as a denominator. So multiply this 5 with this 4. This is 20. This is 20. 5 4s are 20 plus this 3. This denominator. The answer is 23 over 4. This is improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. You can see that here is 23 and over 4. So 23 is greater than 4. This is improper fraction. So the question number 2 is, first of all, write this 5 over here. 5 multiply with 7. 7 multiply with 5. 7 5s are 35. And this is plus 2. Okay, this is 37 over 5. So this is improper fraction because 37 is greater than 5. So this is improper fraction. So question number 3 is, write 2 as it is 2. 4 multiply this with 2. This is 4 2s are 8. 8 plus this 1. This is 9. So 9 over 2. This is improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominators. So the last question is, write 3 over here. Multiply this 15 with this 3. 15 3s are 45. 15 3s are 45. Add 2 plus 2. Okay. This is 47 over 3. Now you can say that 47 greater than 3. You can see that 47 is greater than 3. This is denominator, this is denominator. 3 is denominator and is numerator. This is 47 greater than 3. Numerator is greater than 3 denominator. So this is improper fraction. So you can see that this is the method how to convert mixed number into an improper fraction. So I hope so you got the idea. If you have any confusion, any problem, you can comment under the video. If this video is useful for you, please hit a like button, comment and share with your friend and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.